back to my channel. So Walmart recently released some new pieces within their free assembly label. I did a video of a preview of free assembly about a month ago that I will link up above. But these are either brand new pieces or revamped versions of what they released before. And every piece I'm going to show you today is either cotton or organic cotton. If you guys are new to my channel, I'm in the process of getting rid of all synthetics out of my closet in favor of natural fibers. And those can be really, really hard to find at good prices. So I was so excited when I saw this line because it is so good. So the first thing I grabbed was this darling little black mini dress. This comes in black and white, and honestly, I was so tempted to get the white, which is my default. But I love the fact that you can wear a black dress like this well into the fall and winter months just by strategic layering. It has this beautiful ruffle detailing right along the neckline, a little bit of a puff sleeve. They are elasticized, which I'm not crazy about, but the fit of this dress is so darling. It's almost like a seersucker cotton. It feels so good on the skin, and I love the fact that they added the sweet touch with the lattice crochet work that runs horizontally along the skirt, which is lined in 100% cotton. Super fun dress that is really, really fun to style because you can get so much versatility out of a garment like this. Typically wear denim shorts in the summertime, but I wanted to see what Free Assembly's pair was like, so I did snag these. Again, the lighter rinse to me is so much fun in the summertime. It's just so fun and fresh. These feel so good on. I did size up to a 6. Normally I wear a size 4, but for shorts I always have to size up one. They do sit slightly higher on the waist, and I love the fact that they have a cuff because it just adds a nice elevated touch. There's no rips, tears, distressing, nothing, and they do have functional pockets in the back. What I love about these two is that the denim is like a nice thick denim. These are not thin, they don't feel flimsy, they also don't feel like overly tight, like you're squeezing yourself into them. They're just a beautiful classic denim short. So one of the ways I wanted to style them was with a plain white t-shirt. I love plain white t-shirts in the summertime. They're just such a great basic to have in your closet, and surprisingly enough, it's always hard to find a really good white t-shirt. Loved this one. It is slightly shorter in length, which I prefer just because it doesn't like bulk up. You don't have this excessive length to worry about. And this cotton is so soft, you guys. Oh my gosh. It is slightly see-through, but again, with anything white, I always recommend nude undergarments, and of course it's just a classic v-neck with nothing crazy going on in the back. So I'm going to show you guys how you can style a plain white t-shirt and jean shorts in 2 different ways. One's like a little vampy, like perfect for date night, and the other is kind of like girl next door, just like every day. process of deciding what summer sandals I want to add to my collection for this year, so check the description box below. I'm constantly updating that list with like different styles that I see that I'm very interested in, so I hope it'll serve some inspiration for you guys as well. So the next top I grabbed was this striped cotton top here. It is a longer sleeve, but I just love the fact that they added the wider trim around the crew neck, and of course it has that puff sleeve, and I love the extra thick cuff that is also in that kind of like off-white trim. This is so comfortable on, you guys. It almost feels like a terry cloth, but it's not irritating on the skin whatsoever. It is a little bit shorter, so it's great for tucking in or keeping untucked. I got this in a pale blue color for my first preview and absolutely loved it. So I was so excited to see them come out with a striped version because it just strikes that nautical chord, which is always so on trend for the spring and summer season. Speaking of white denim, I'm always so curious to see what white denim looks like from brand to brand and label to label, because white denim is so hard to do right. It is so problematic, mainly for the fact that it is inherently very see-through, and also sometimes the denim that they use is so thin that it literally like clings to everything to create an extremely unflattering look. This high-rise pair from Free Assembly, I'm telling you guys, it really, really is nicely done. Now, they do run extremely small, so definitely want to size up to get the proper fit. But this is like a thicker cotton. Again, it's not getting into like jegging territory, so it does a nice job of smoothing. They're also free of any distressing. It is a skinny leg and it has a proper cuff as well, no scissor hem, which I think just looks so elevated. And of course you do have functional pockets in the back. These were not see-through. Of course, I did wear nude undergarments with them, but still not see-through. And even more impressive, you couldn't even really see the lining of the pocket, which tends to be another problem with white denim. Decided to style these was with a classic denim top. We're seeing these all over the place this season, and a lot of times they're comprised of button downs, which I don't prefer. So super happy to see this popover style. That richly saturated dark denim rinse, oh my gosh, you guys, so well done, so beautiful and crisp for the warmer months. Love the fact that it does have the 3 functional buttons, and of course it does have a longer sleeve with a proper buttoned cuff, and then you do have this really nice touch with the thicker hem at the bottom, and it does have a very, very slight high-low silhouette. It's not excessively long in the back, but you do have a little bit more length back there, which again can be nice with white denim if you're feeling a little bit self-conscious about what's going on behind you. guys, and finally, I love me a good pair of wide leg high-rise pants. I saw the striped version and just fell in love. These are an exact dupe for the Emmett style pant from Madewell that literally is 3 or 4 times the price. These are so cute on with that button fly. Oh my gosh, so darling. These are primarily cotton. They have a true to size fit. They don't have any front pockets, but they do have this cute little coin pocket on the right hand side, so you don't have to worry about like anything bulking up on your sides in the hip area. And then of course it does have the functional pockets in the back. This is, as I said, a wider leg with a proper cuff, which I love. And I just think pants like this are so fun to style because you can really like vamp them up in an unexpected way to add a little bit of spice to your wardrobe. Okay guys, so that is it for my second free assembly preview. And again, much like the first, I am so impressed with the quality of these clothes. Of course, love the fact that they are cotton, and I love the prices. I'm so excited to see what free assembly comes out season by season. I am constantly checking their app to see what they're coming out with next because the clothing is just really, really nice. I will have everything listed and linked down below for you to check out yourselves. But in any event, thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I hope you're having a good one, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.